Avalanche value equivalent to 542.81 rands a coin. The present cost range 522.73 553.64. The earlier day close 533.02. The change was plus 9, 79, plus 1, 84%. Reverse rate, ZAR to Avax. Avalanche cost expectation for November 2024. Initially cost at 367 rands, excessive cost 367, while low cost 286. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 332. Avalanche cost figure toward the month's end 308. Change for November 16.1%. Avalanche figure for December 2024. Initially cost at 308 rands. Excessive cost 382, while low cost 308. They found the middle value of cost 339. Avalanche cost gauge toward the month's end 357. Change for December 15th. 9%. Avalanche cost expectation for January 2025. To start with cost at 357 rands. Exorbitant cost 443, while low cost 357. They found the middle value of cost 393. Avalanche cost gauge toward the month's end 414, change for January 16th. 0%. Avalanche gauge for February 2025. To start with cost at 414 rands. Exorbitant cost 414, while low cost 334. They found the middle value of cost 380. Avalanche cost gauge toward the month's end 359, change for February 13.3%. Avalanche cost expectation for Walk 2025. In the first place, cost at 359 rands. Exorbitant cost 445, while low cost 359. They found the middle value of cost 395. Avalanche cost gauge toward the month's end 416, change for spring 15.9%. Avalanche gauge for April 2025. In the first place, cost at 416 rands. Exorbitant cost 517, while low cost 416. They found the middle value of cost 458. Avalanche cost gauge toward the month's end 483, change for April 16th. 1%. Avalanche cost expectation for May 2025. At the outset, cost at 483 rands. Excessive cost 599, while low cost 483. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 531. Avalanche cost figure toward the month's end 560, change for May 15th. 9%. Avalanche figure for June 2025. In the first place, cost at 560 rands. Exorbitant cost 560, while low cost 483. They found the middle value of cost 531. Avalanche cost gauge toward the month's end 519, change for June 7.3%. Avalanche cost expectation for July 2025. First and foremost, cost at 519 rands. Exorbitant cost 564, while low cost 490. They found the middle value of cost 525. Avalanche cost estimate toward the month's end 527, change for July 1st. 5%. Avalanche estimate for August 2025. First and foremost, cost at 527 rands. Exorbitant cost 528, while low cost 458. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 502. Avalanche cost figure toward the month's end 493, change for August 6.5%. Avalanche cost expectation for September 2025. Initially cost at 493 rands. Excessive cost 493, while low cost 403. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 456. Avalanche cost figure toward the month's end 433, change for September 12.2%. Avalanche figure for October 2025. Initially cost at 433 rands. Exorbitant cost 433, while low cost 359. They found the middle value of cost 403. Avalanche cost gauge toward the month's end 386, change for October 10.9%. Avalanche cost expectation for November 2025. To start with, cost at 386 rands. Exorbitant cost 410, while low cost 356. They found the middle value of cost 384. Avalanche cost gauge toward the month's end 383, change for November 0.8%. Avalanche gauge for December 2025. To start with, cost at 383 rands. Exorbitant cost 413, while low cost 359. They found the middle value of cost 385. Avalanche cost gauge toward the month's end 386, change for December 0.8%. Avalanche cost expectation for January 2026. In the first place, cost at 386 rands. Exorbitant cost 386, while low cost 328. They found the middle value of cost 363. Avalanche cost gauge toward the month's end 353, change for January 8.5%. Avalanche gauge for February 2026. In the first place, cost at 353 rands. Exorbitant cost 438, while low cost 353. They found the middle value of cost 388. Avalanche cost estimate toward the month's end 409, change for February 15th, 9%. Avalanche cost expectation for Walk 2026. First and foremost, cost at 409 rands. Exorbitant cost 445, while low cost 387. They found the middle value of cost 414. Avalanche cost estimate toward the month's end 416, change for spring 1.7%. Avalanche estimate for April 2026. First and foremost, cost at 416 rands. Exorbitant cost 453, while low cost 393. They found the middle value of cost 421. Avalanche cost estimate toward the month's end 423, change for April 1st, 7%. Avalanche cost expectation for May 2026. In the first place, cost at 423 rands. Exorbitant cost 513, while low cost 423. They found the middle value of cost 460. Avalanche cost estimate toward the month's end 479, change for May 13th, 2%. Avalanche conjecture for June 2026. At the outset, cost at 479 rands. Excessive cost 489, while low cost 425. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 463. Avalanche cost figure toward the month's end 457, change for June 4.6%. Avalanche cost expectation for July 2026. First and foremost, cost at 457 rands. Exorbitant cost 496, while low cost 432. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 462. Avalanche cost figure toward the month's end 464, change for July 1st, 5%. Avalanche figure for August 2026. Before all else, cost at 464 rands. Excessive cost 500.